Good morning, everyone. I'm exhausted because I have been up since 4 a.m. and didn't sleep before that. So I live in Kaiser. Nothing crazy happens in Kaiser weather-wise, but we got this like snow possibility warning. Didn't think much of it. It snowed before, but it melts in a couple hours. Well, what do you need? He's just sitting here whining at me. We woke up this morning. It was icy yesterday, but like nothing crazy. I mean, there's icicles on the gutters and stuff. But we woke up this morning to like, I think people are calling it the icepocolyps. But it's currently 29 degrees. It got down to 20, 22 or something last night. Are you cold? Are you cold? Oh, he sees this and he thinks we're going for a WALK. No, we're not right now. It's too cold. It'll hurt your feet. You'll cut your paws on the ice. We can walk downstairs though. He's not. You cut your paws on the ice, but we can walk down the stairs together. You can look in the yard. Anyways, woke up this morning and there's literally, I don't think you can see this, probably a half an inch of ice on everything. And excuse me, we have no power. We haven't had power since about 4 a.m. So got dressed in the dark, my super cool rain boots and sweatpants, and my hair looks a hot mess. It's been a morning. And Ed did have to go to work this morning. He actually left early because since most of the county is out of power, there are like hundreds and hundreds of down lines everywhere. He drove probably about 4:30. He was on his way to work and he said there was so many down power lines, so many down trees. The road was slick as ice. Go figure. Oh, this is so slick. There's just like, and I wish you guys could see it better. Solid ice. He's scared to go down the stairs because it's so slippery. But there's definitely ice cube sickles. I mean, that one right there is probably 14 inches. And then this tree, oh man. Okay, let's see if we can make it down the stairs without falling. Whew. That's intense, man. I mean, look at the ice on that. Of course, our garage door is electric, so because we have no power, we can't use it. And the front porch is all gutted up because they've been redoing it. But check this out. It's a grape. That's intense. That's like, I don't think there's one up there that's less than an inch thick. Same with the tree. It's crazy. So pretty though. Let's see what else we can find. Oh. Kind of icicles. This is not surprising. Oh my gosh, it's the grass. Like each blade. That's intense. Each. Oh. So yeah, this is pretty much how every single thing looks in the valley right now. Atlas is hungry. So this is the main reason why I came out. I heard this about an hour ago. Not kidding you. Over the night, it was lighting up like it was a lightning storm, just because of all the power lines going down and then catching on fire, and you know they do the thing. He's eating the tree now. It was lighting up the whole room because of, and it was like every 30 seconds to a minute. It was intense, but then there was also, you could hear everything breaking and cracking, so it was like all night long. So anyways, I heard this about an hour ago. I wanted to check it. It's definitely heavy. It's been down for a while. Long enough that the icicles have moved sideways. Actually, this is the only one that broke. Thank goodness. This is all just weighted down. Oh, that one broke too, which is right there. I didn't like this tree much enough, but this is so weighed down. It's on the ground. Usually this, I could walk under this easy, no problem. Thick. Yard. This is thicker. Oh. It's just in. How thick that is, it's probably. That's how thick it is. My truck is all iced out. I have icicles on the rim of my truck. This is a little bit more exposed. There, you guys see that? A little bit more exposed. I don't think there's a single thing on this thing that's not easy. Anyways, you guys get the point. It's a lot of ice. I mainly just wanted to record this and because it was cool. I think it's beautiful. I had to do a walkthrough to make sure nothing was really damaged anyways. But I'm gonna go inside because we don't have power, which means we don't have heat, so I don't want to get too cold. And there's nothing I can do about any of this now. And my nose is starting to get cold and things are starting to melt. Thank goodness. I think it's probably about 30 degrees now, so it's getting louder because everything's dripping, but I will keep you guys updated. We probably won't have power until at least tomorrow evening at the earliest. Mom and Dad lost power yesterday morning, and they probably won't have power for another 3 days because they still live up in the hills, but we're gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna see how the kids do with no power and no Wi-Fi and no phone chargers. It'll be interesting for them. This will get lots of attention though. Bummer is, can't do schoolwork. Good thing is, can't do schoolwork. So, stay safe out there. Don't leave if you unless you absolutely have to. Stay warm. Think a first responder, somebody who's working overtime, busting their butt to make sure you have the bare necessities. So, stay warm. So please, if you liked this, like this video, comment if you want to see anything else that I haven't posted yet, which is like everything. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload these super cool, boring videos. And thank you for joining me for this long.